A nested sequence is a sequence that is enclosed within another sequence. Nested sequences look and behave like individual clips in the timeline, but you can edit the clips within a nested sequence in a separate timeline. Instead of having to add effects to a bevy of clips individually, a nested sequence allows you to apply effects and make parameter adjustments to multiple clips at once. To do this, select the clips in your timeline that you want to nest by either holding Shift while selecting each clip, or highlight the clips you want to nest by clicking and dragging over them. Right-click on the clips that are selected and hit Nest. The nested sequence name window will appear. Give your nested sequence a name and press OK. You will see that these clips are now grouped together as one clip. And the nested sequence that holds the original clips will appear in the project panel. But if you want to see the nested clip as individual clips again, all you have to do is double click on it, and the nested sequence that is in our project panel will appear in your sequence window. And with nested clips, you have the ability to change the parameters of the multiple clips that are within the nested sequence all at once in the effect controls window. Make sure your nest is selected in the timeline and press Shift 5 to go to the effect controls window. If we go to opacity, which controls how transparent the clip is, and change it from 100% to 20%, this parameter change to the opacity will be applied to all the clips that we have nested. You can also add effects as well to the multiple clips that are within the nested sequence. Go to the effects panel by going to the Windows tab and click on Effects, or use the keyboard shortcut Shift 7. In the search bar, type in Flip and add the vertical flip effect by clicking and dragging it to our nest. This effect will flip all the clips that are within our nested sequence upside down. And to unnest your clips, go to the main sequence that has your nest, and in the top left corner of the timeline, there's a button called Insert and Overwrite Sequences as nests or individual clips. If this button is enabled and we drag and drop our nested sequence into our main sequence, it will be added to the sequence as the nest that holds all the clips together. If we disable this button and we drag and drop our nested sequence into our main sequence, it will be added to the sequence unnested and as separate clips. And this is how you nest and unnest your sequence in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.